I knew the EG4 12000 XP would be perfect for our need, and it is. I bought two EG4 12000 XP, but I've only installed one. I'm planning to install the second one here. In this video, I will be taking down both power meter inverters and the rest of the solar equipment from this wall to make room for the second 12000 XP. I installed the first 12000 XP on March 30th. About a week later, the AC power started cutting off randomly multiple times during the day. After talking to Signature Solar Tech Support, they told me to update the software. It's been over a month now, and the inverter been working flawlessly. One of the 12000 XP unit is capable of powering our entire home, but I have two of them for increased future energy needs. I start by removing the communication cable between both inverters. After that, I move on to the Wi-Fi module. Next, I remove the battery cable from the bus bar. After disconnecting the battery wire from the bus bar, I put the washer and nut back in place. I follow by removing the bus bar. Now I am going to disconnect the battery wire from the inverter. After taking out the battery wire, I put the fastener back in place. On the first inverter, the DC wire coming from the DC disconnect switch are still connected. I'm taking those out. Then I move on to removing the disconnect switch. Then remove the liquid tight conduit from the inverter. There is a piece of 2x4 the disconnect switch was sitting on that have to come out. There are two screws at the top holding the inverter in place. After loosening them, I'm able to lift it up and pull it out. Notice how dusty the top of the inverter was. Before installing the 12000 XP, I will have to put a piece of plywood or sheetrock up there to minimize the dust. That's why I had the piece of plastic up there, but it doesn't go all the way back. This is what it looked like after taking down both power meter inverter and the rest of the solar equipment. Those two holes were used to feed the AC wire to the back of this wall. I put this plastic cover up there to help with dust. I will have to do a better job covering it before I install the new inverter. I have a small piece of sheetrock on top of the first 12000 XP. I might have to buy a whole sheet to put it up there and make it go all the way back to help with the dust. But soon, I will have a second inverter just like this one right over here. I will use a heat gun to bend this conduit to the bottom of the new inverter and add a fitting just like this to pass through all the PV wires. The 4 solar panel on the front porch and all the solar panel I will be adding on the back deck, all of them will go to the new inverter. On this inverter, I will keep the PV wire coming from the solar shed. Those PV wire are from the front porch, they will go to the second inverter. The AC wire will go straight down to this conduit opening that also connect to the first inverter. And then connect the new inverter to the bus bar that is right between both inverters. I am looking forward to have both 12000 XP up and running. I will try to document installing the second 12000 XP. Again, if you're in the market for solar equipment, consider using the link in the description below along with the coupon code for $50 off order of $500 or more. If you like this video, you might also enjoy the recommended video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. See you in the next video.